there, welcome to Designo page. In today's video, we will see how to create short video and short video monetization in YouTube. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you. Let's proceed with the process. Open this YouTube app and next we need to click this plus icon. Next, from the menu, we need to click this Create a Short tab to create a short video. Here on the screen you can see options like Add Music, where you can select and add any music from this list. Next, we can select the speed at which we want the video to be shot at, either very slow, normal, fast or very fast. Next, we can select the duration of the video. We can also drag this playhead to stop recording video within the 15 seconds mark. Finally, click the Start button. The short video recording starts and stops at the timer set up by us. Next, once it's recorded, we need to add title of the video, and next we can either upload it for public viewing or select any of these unlisted, private or schedule along with other options like a regular video uploads. You can see here our video has been uploaded to our YouTube channel. Next, to monetize a short video, we need to head to our YouTube Studio app. Next, click on the short video uploaded and click here. And here we can click the Monetization tab and select the type of ads to display on our short video. And done. You can see here our short video has been monetized. With this we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like and share the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. Thank you.